Let's learn about farm animals. Farm animals are friendly creatures that live on farms. Farmers take care of them and they bring joy to us with their different sounds and useful products. Let us learn about them with the help of a story. Once upon a time in a village there was a magical farm known as the Harmony Farm. In this farm, all kinds of animals lived together in harmony. There were cows, bulls, sheep, goats, pigs, ducks, horses. The animals of the Harmony Farm were not just ordinary. They possessed unique qualities that made the farm truly extraordinary. The village children loved visiting the farm to learn the valuable lessons the animal had to offer. Sunny day, the village children gathered at the farm eager to hear the animal's story. Daisy, the cow, stepped forward and began.
Do you know that we cows are not just cute and friendly? We provide milk, which is a nutritious drink for you. And from our milk, people make delicious cheese and butter. We also help farmers plow field with our friend Rocky here, who is a strong and hard-working bull.
He proudly added,
That's right. I work alongside farmers to prepare the soil for planting, making it easier for them to grow food for everyone.
and then Woolly the sheep chimed in.
Don't forget about our wools. It keeps us warm, but people use it to make soft blanket and cozy sweaters. We sheep are always happy to share our fluffy goodness.
Hearing the sheep brag about their qualities, Gretty the goat jumped up and said,
We goats are expert climbers. We help trim the grass and keep the field tidy. Plus, goat milk is another nutritious treat for people.
Soon Pinky the pig wiggled its snout and exclaimed,
We pigs are excellent recyclers. We eat kitchen scraps and turn them into rich fertilizers for crops. So we play a vital role in reducing waste and helping the environment.
Children were just amazed hearing all these animal stories, and then they moved forward to meet the horse. Looking at the children, the horse introduced himself with grace.
Hello, children. I am a horse and my name is Spirit. I am not just a majestic creature. Horses like me have been loyal companions to humans for centuries. We have helped plow fields, carry goods, and even provided transportation.
Moving forward, the children met the wise chickens who were flapping their wings in crown.
Hello, children. We are the chickens. We are not just clucking around. We lay eggs, which is a great source of protein, and we help control pests in the field. We are the guardian to the farmers.
And then came the quack quack ducks and geese, and one of them told the children about them.
Hello, cute little children. We are ducks and geese, and we are raised for our eggs and meat. We contribute by controlling the pest. We consume insect in and around the water bodies and help farmers keep the water bodies clean.
And last but not the least came the buzzing bees.
Hello, dear children. We are not the traditional farm animals, but We play a crucial role in growing crops and fruit by pollinating the crops, which is essential for making fruits and vegetables. We also produce honey, which is a natural sweetener with various health benefits.
The children listened in awe as the animals shared their incredible stories. They realized that each animal had a unique purpose and contributed in its own special way. The lesson of Harmony Farm was clear. We should be thankful for the gifts these animals provide and treat them with respect and kindness. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned so far. I will ask you a riddle and you will have to guess the name of the animal.
I gaze in the meadow, munching on grass, a gentle creature, slow as I pass. Milk is my gift, a motherly art. Who am I, playing a vital part? Yes, who am I? I'm a cow, C-O-W cow.
Next riddle is, in fields I roam with mighty horn, strong and sturdy, from dusk till morn. Plowing the field, a farmer's delight. Guess who am I? A powerful sight. I am the bull, B-U-L-L bull.
Next, woolly and fluffy, in flocks we roam, providing warmth, our cozy home. Shared for fabric, a fabric so fine. Tell me, friend, what creature am I? Yes, can you guess? I am a sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep.
On groggy cliff or mountain high, I climbed with ease, reaching for the sky. Milk and cheese, my gift to share. Guess my name, if you dare. Yes, I am a goat, G-O-A-T, goat.
Next is rolling in the mud, oinking with glee, a snout so cute as happy as can be. Bacon, ham, and so much more. Who am I with a hearty snore? Yes, I am a pig, P-I-G, pig.
Next riddle is, mane flowing wild, on the prairie I run, a majestic creature under the sun, carrying burden swift in race. Guess my name with beauty and grace. Yes, I'm a horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse.
Next is feathers aflutter in a coop we stay, eggs in abundance day by day. Wake us up with a morning cluck. Can you guess who is in the muck? Yes, you guessed it right. We are the chickens, C-H-I-C-K-E-N.
Next is wading in ponds, a quacking sound, feathers afloat all around, paddle and splash in water so clear, guess our name without a fear. Yes, you guessed it right. We are the ducks and geese, D-U-C-K-S, ducks, and G-E-E-S-E, geese.
And last but not the least, guess my name. Buzzing around in a hive so grand, working together, a buzzing band. Sweet nectar's delight, honey so gold. Who are we, buzzing bold? Yes, so can you guess? We are the bees. B-E-E-S, bees.
So today we learned about farm animals: cows, bull, sheep, goat, pig, horse, chicken, ducks, and bees. Thank you for watching Medhasvi Learning. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all on next Sunday with a new learning video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Thank you.